Yes, children. So now we will be starting arithmetic mean in case of cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so cumulative frequency distribution, cumulative frequency series, how you will be identify in the question, it will be given less than or more than. Okay, that is less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, if it, or else more than 5, more than 50, more than 20, it is way. Okay, more than 0, more than 2, more than 6, in this way it will be given. Okay, so if it is given less than or more than, that means you have to understand that that is the cumulative frequency given. Okay, now in case if cumulative frequency series are given, so first thing what you have to do is in cumulative frequency that you have to convert that series into simple frequency. Okay, simple frequency. So first is cumulative frequency series could be identified in less than or more than. Second step is series will be converted into simple frequency series, and after that when you will convert the series into frequency, simple frequency, then after that mean will be calculated by using any of the method we discussed. That means only thing you have to do in cumulative frequencies, you have to just convert it into simple frequency, and after that as usual जैसे आप करते आए हो मीन निकालने के लिए, in the same way you have to do it. Okay, so let us see the question, it will be more clear to you. So it is given here in the question less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, in the so on it is given, and here number of students are given 3, 10, 20, 25, 28. But simple frequency series, what we are doing, whatever number here it is given, we are treating it as frequency. But whenever it is given in cumulative frequency, this is not your frequency, actually it is your cumulative frequency. Okay, so this you have to convert it into frequency. Okay, so for that first what you will be do, you will be first writing the class interval. So less than 10, less than 20, that means 10, 10, 10, 10 ka gap hai. So here 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, in this way you will be writing. Okay, then in frequency, what you will be writing, you will not writing 3 times. See here you can see it, marks I had written here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and now frequency how I had taken 3, 7, 10, 5, 3, 2, but here the frequency, that is the number of student is 3, 10, 20, 25, 28, 30, that means it is given in increasing order, है ना. So what you will be doing is कि just frequency कैसे find out करोगे, the first one will be same 3 only, second frequency will be 10 minus 3. Okay, so 10 minus 3 will be your 7, ये frequency हो गया. Then next is what, 20 minus 10, so 20 minus 10 is 10, so this is the next one, 10. Okay, then after that it is 25 minus 20, 25 से 20 minus, it will be 5, so 5 is your next frequency. Okay, then it is 28 minus 25, so 28 minus 25 is 3, so 3 is your next frequency. In this way you will be calculating your frequency. So now you got the class interval and the frequency. Now after this as usual simple जैसे आप करते आए हो, in the same way you have to do it. Okay, so I hope it is clear, cumulative frequency. Okay, इसके बाद आप what you have to do, first you will be finding out the mid value, है ना. After that sigma fm upon sigma f if you are using direct method or in step deviation method or in shortcut method, whatever method, जैसा whatever I had explained earlier, the same method you will be using. Only thing in this question, that is in cumulative frequency, is just you have to convert this frequency and you have to write it the class interval. After that same way you have to calculate it. Okay, so I hope it is clear, this arithmetic mean in cumulative frequency distribution. Now here question, as in this question you can see less than, less than, less than 30, less than 40. Now in this cumulative frequency more than will also be there, and more than 2, more than 0, more than 4, more than 6, more than 8, and there also here number will be given, that will be you consider it as a cumulative frequency. So for that first you have to convert it. Now one more thing what you have to keep it in your mind is that when you are doing this less than, what you are doing, you are just subtracting it, 10 minus 3, then 20 minus 10, then 25 minus 20. You are doing like this क्योंकि this is in increasing order it is given, so you are going to upward direction, है ना. आप इस साइड जाके माइनस करो, 10 minus 3, 20 minus 10, 25 minus 20, 28 minus 25, in this way you are doing. But when it is given more than, Okay, whenever it is given more than, you can see here number of students जो दिया रहेगा जो भी number, that will be in your decreasing order. Okay, उस समय वो decreasing order में रहेगा. So in that case what you will be doing, you have to subtract in this direction more than में. Understood? In more than you will be subtracting in this direction, less than me you will be subtracting in this direction. Okay, that you can see one example here, then it will be more clear to you. Say this is the example of more than. Okay, so you can see here more than 0, more than 2, more than 4, more than 6, more than 8, and here you can see the number of student what it is given in decreasing order. Okay, so here when you will doing the frequency, what you have to do is ki first one it will be 30 only, second one 30 minus 28, then next will be 28 minus 24, 24 minus 18. In this way you will be doing, that is you will be moving to downwards direction. Okay, your arrow will be moved downwards when you subtract it. Okay, got it? So here you can see 0 to 2, 2 to 4. Okay, that means 2 gap it is there. So you can see here, see 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, it is given. Yes, so in this way you have to do it. Now in number of students also you can see here, see 30 minus 28, then 28 minus 24, 24 minus 18. So this way you have to subtract it. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate your cumulative frequency. I hope it is clear, all of you.